Hello, my name is Don Korb, and I am the Chief Counsel for the Internal Revenue Service. Thank you for taking the time to learn about the Office of Chief Counsel. As the largest tax law office in the country, we have an extraordinary variety of tax work. Everything from litigating cases in the United States Tax Court to drafting regulations and other technical guidance to help the public understand the ever-changing tax law. We are looking for the best and the brightest of you to bring initiative, energy, and inquisitive minds to our office. In return, you will receive the kind of experience that will set the stage for an exciting career in tax law. Just look at what some of our alumni have accomplished using the Office of Chief Counsel as a springboard.
I'm Sheldon Cohen. I'm a retired partner at Morgan, Lewis & Bockius, and I now teach at the George Washington University Law School. I started off in the Chief Counsel's office fresh out of George Washington University Law School.
My name is Pam Olson. I'm a partner at Skadden Arps in Washington, D.C. I served as Assistant Secretary of the Treasury for Tax Policy from 2002 to 2004 and chaired the American Bar Association section of taxation. I got my start in the Office of Chief Counsel.
Hi, I'm Jack Johnson, and I'm the Chief Executive for the second largest county in the state of Maryland. And I'm pleased to say that I got my career started right after law school with the Office of the Chief Counsel for the Internal Revenue Service.
Hello, I'm Mark Everson, the Commissioner of Internal Revenue. The IRS is involved in important work, collecting over $2.2 trillion each year. We run the largest means-tested benefits program, that's the Earned Income Tax Credit, and we issue regulations and oversee the tax-exempt sector of our economy, an important part of our nation. The opportunities of Chief Counsel are real, from participating in tax litigation regarding both individuals and corporations, to issuing guidance and tax regulations, and to working closely with revenue agents who audit taxpayers. The Office of Chief Counsel is a great place to launch your career. Moreover, you will derive the satisfaction that comes from public service.
There are many ways to begin your legal career, but you'll find the best foundation for your future at the Office of Chief Counsel of the Internal Revenue Service. We are the law firm of the IRS, and that makes us the biggest tax law firm in the United States. We're looking for America's finest young attorneys to join us at the IRS Office of Chief Counsel. It's truly a great place to start your legal career.
The IRS Office of Chief Counsel is a great place to start because there's endless opportunity.
The work at the Office of Chief Counsel of the IRS offers truly unique career opportunities. Our cases encompass all aspects of American finance, from businesses large and small, to charitable organizations, to families and individuals.
Whether it's tax shelter litigation or whether it's a big regulation, you're going to be there in it, your name's going to be on it.
Tax is all they do here, and that's what I knew I wanted to do with my career.
I thought it was challenging and interesting and very different than everything else I had studied in law school.
We're dealing with some of the, the most complicated transactions, the most complicated issues. Clearly the stuff the taxpayers can't figure out themselves, or they wouldn't be coming to us to ask questions.
I've been the principal drafter on a couple of pieces of guidance. I've done training for hundreds of agents.
I meet with audit teams and taxpayers, and I issue advisory opinions.
A lot of what I do affects millions of people, and that's satisfying.
You will work on the cutting edge of tax law, and you can be involved in litigation at an early stage in your career.
I never really thought that I was going to try a case. And so it was kind of exciting that so quickly after I started here, I was, in the courtroom.
You get to use a broad range of skills when you litigate cases, anything from trial preparation to the actual trial and post-trial activities.
It's very satisfying when you go into court and you know that you prepared your case well, you presented it well, what you did made sense, and you did a good job.
Finally, the work you do here is important. Your efforts have a direct impact on America's tax laws. The Internal Revenue Service is the best place in America to get a broad look at the world's strongest free market economy.
I think there was something attractive to me about working for the government and working sort of as a public servant.
You really are actually serving the public in the best way possible, making sure that the public's business is done well.
You kind of learn about how the tax world operates much better than when you just see the little trees you represent individual taxpayers. You see the forest here. It's very valuable.
It's an experience that you can't get working in the private sector. It's an experience that you're not likely to get working almost any other place.